In global operations, we're accelerating towards an even smarter future. A smart network of smart factories powered by our smart people. We've identified 7 priority building blocks that we need to get there. Advanced process control uses modeling and sensing to reduce variability and improve yield in our manufacturing processes. Advanced analytics and optimization uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and digital twins to enhance performance across the value chain. Immersive Environment harnesses the power of augmented and virtual worlds. Smart Workforce puts the right information, data, and insights into our hands. Intelligent Asset Management keeps our equipment and environmental conditions running reliably and performing at their best. Whilst robotics and physical automation frees us up from repetitive, manual tasks to focus on the most meaningful work. Finally, smart sustainability combines smart technologies and data-driven insights to achieve sustainable development, manufacturing, and supply. With these 7 building blocks, we can deploy the right combination of people, processes, data, and technology across our sites. To help global operations deliver more for our business, our people, the planet, and the patients we serve. This is our smart future.